Installing security glazing film during new home construction is a cost-effective way to increase break-in resistance and protect occupants without waiting for a later retrofit. Start by mapping every vulnerable glass surface and prioritize based on proximity to entry points and sight lines. For each prioritized pane, use a multi-layer security glazing film rated for forced entry mitigation and follow manufacturer instructions for surface preparation, temperature, and curing time to ensure proper adhesion. For full protection, consider replacing critical panes with laminated or impact-rated glazing, which has an interlayer that holds fragments together on severe impact and is installed like normal insulating glass units. When cutting or trimming film, always use a new sharp blade and a straight edge to avoid nicked edges that can lift later, and roll the applied film with a hard rubber roller, working from center outward to expel trapped air and moisture. For large expanses, add interior mounting options such as concealed stainless steel spline or mechanical anchors where film alone may not meet desired resistance levels, and pair glazing upgrades with reinforced frames and high security locks to distribute loads and reduce frame failure. Finally, install contact or glass break sensors at top and bottom of large panes and integrate with the home security system so an alarm triggers on impact or sustained pressure rather than waiting for glass fallout. A common mistake is treating all glass the same, which leads to underprotecting entry-level panes. Solution: prioritize and use laminated glazing or mechanical anchors at highest risk openings. Another frequent issue is improper film installation that causes bubbling or edge lifting. The fix is strict surface cleaning with an ammonia-free solution, correct ambient temperature, and using a hard rubber roller and edge sealant per instructions. A third concern is relying on film alone, which leaves frames and locks as weak points. Resolve that by reinforcing frames with longer screws and steel plates, and choosing multi-point locking hardware to keep load transfer away from the glass. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who offer glazing film installation and impact-rated window upgrades, and we provide project examples and practical advice for planning upgrades. We also help contractors find work by listing their services and fostering connections in our active discussion community, where members and pros share installation tips.